honestly, you know what I mean? Check out chef. That's chicken, that's fine. I got some chicken right here, so let's get my chicken right in this bowl. That's the first thing I want to do. I will definitely put my bug right here, just to get rid of the bug out of the way. Alright, we all know that fresh thyme, garlic, spring onion, all of these things is famous in the morning. Good for your health and, you know what I mean, bits and pieces. Anyway, we've got some artificial seasoning over here. This one is paprika. Anyone ever used paprika before?
I think I've had it. I've had it in dishes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, paprika just give the meat a nice lovely color, is it?
Yes,
alright. This is the honey right over here.
Yeah.
What we're going to do first thing today, we're going to be getting some garlic. Alright? Garlic give the chicken, anything you're cooking, a lovely flavor, a nice taste. And I know you guys, you know what I mean, cook with garlic. So, when you know garlic, a lot of people use it in different stuff. Some people use it for garlic tea. Some people use it like for blood pressure, bits and pieces, a lot of different stuff. But today we're going to use it into some chicken. Alright? So before we go any further, I have a few cloves of garlic right here. And I'm going to just simple chop it up. Don't do what I'm doing, please, because you have to be careful what are you doing when you're doing these things at home if you don't use a knife, alright? So don't do what Chef Ricardo will do it. So right here, that's the first thing we want to do. We want to get some garlic on the chicken. Alright, so that's the garlic. Right here we got some
onion.
Yeah, and that, you know, sometimes when you peel it, it burn your eyes, so you just have to be careful when you peel it, you know what I mean? Guys, make your eye run water and all these things.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, when you're cutting your onion, one of the main things you need to do is put it like this.
In the middle.
So no, I'm going to demonstrate it one more time again to show you. So this is the onion right here. Put your knife and like this and cut down. Alright? You don't want to, if you're going to do that, you're going to cut yourself. Make sure your bowl sterilized. But to be honest, the red bowl is not for cutting the vegetable. Now I will use a brown bowl. Alright? But I'm just going to show you exactly what's going on. So what we're going to do now, this one is right here. Let's put this one right here. Put this one right here. So this is a vegetable bowl. Alright guys? So we're going to use this one is for raw meat. So I'm sorry about that cutting it. So we're going to be cutting up the onion right here. Very finely. Nice one. So I'm going to be using one medium-sized onion. I'm going to pop it straight on the chicken like this. So we're going to look in some flavor from the chicken. Now we're going to get some spring onion. Anyone use spring onion before?
Yes.
Alright.
I have, but I just don't know how to.
Yeah?
What you're supposed to keep and what you're supposed to get rid of.
Basically, you can cut off the bit and wash it off. Make sure inside of it is very clean because sometimes dirt may inside. So you have to make sure you're checking it inside. Some people just cut off the edges like this, put that in the bin. But you know, but once it's clean, you can also use it. Alright? So what we're gonna do, cut the spring onion. Nice one. And we're gonna pop it straight in the chicken. So we are looking a lovely flavor from this chicken today.
Yeah.
We got some ginger.
Ginger. Very good for you. Very good for you.
Alright. You never drink ginger tea before?
Yes, years ago.
Ginger tea before? Ginger tea?
Yes.
Ginger tea? Alright. So we're going to put a little piece of a ginger in it. Alright, lovely. Next thing, we got some onion. Right, we got the onion. So we're going to remove this bit from the top of it because you don't know what it's sealed. So we're going to remove this bit. What we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about 4 tablespoons of the onion. Nice one. The next thing over here, we have some, this is some Cajun season. This is the Cajun season. Yeah, anyone ever used Cajun season before?
No.
Alright, Cajun season is just like different spices and bits and pieces inside of it. If you go through it, it's going to be a long detail. So that's the real instruction on the back. Alright, but Cajun season is really good. It gives you chicken, your pork, your beef, anything you're cooking, flavor. Alright? I'm gonna pop some of it like this. Roughly about 2 tablespoons. Then the paprika, which is going to be giving a lovely flavor and a lovely color.
Oh, yes.
Also, we got some chicken season, which you can also use. Just a 2 tablespoons, really pretty good for it. Basically, you can put chili. Anyone ever use chili?
Yeah.
But it's very, very hot. So we don't want it to be spicy. You know what I mean? So basically what we're going to do, I'm just going to be keeping it mild. Because most of these seasons already come with spice, so we have to be careful when you do that, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we have the honey, which is going to be killing all the spice. So if you even put a few of this on it, it will be pretty good same way. This one, chili season, is also, no, this one no. I want to use this one instead of it, not that one. This is pretty good. Chicken season is good. Paprika is good, and this one. So I'm gonna look in my box over here to see what we have. Alright, this is chili powder. This one is oregano. You could put a little bit of oregano. That's fine. It's herb, and herb is good. Natural stuff is really good for you when you're cooking.
Yeah.
Is it?
That's right.
Alright. Garlic seasoning. And this one, no, not that one. That is paprika. Spicy, but I'm not going to be using that one. So anyway, we're going to just keep it just as it right here. Because we have the garlic, we got all the natural seasoning. But we're going to put some fresh thyme on it. Alright? So what we're going to do the fresh thyme now, we're going to just simple, because we don't want to get those speck inside of it. Just simple, pull it off. Just like this. I love the flavor from this. Nice thyme. Do you want to smell the thyme? Anyone want to smell the thyme? Yeah. Make a put some for it. Really nice.
John, 12. That's it. She's joking.
Yeah?
He's joking. He said,
Oh, yeah.
you want to smell the time? He said it's half 12.
Yeah.
Hello, Eddie.
It's time, isn't it?
Yeah. Thyme is really nice.
Yeah, nice.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to marinate up my chicken like this by putting my hand, give it a lovely rub.
Oh yeah, that's the best bit.
Yeah.
When you just rub it in.
All of those
What chicken did you use, Ricardo? What chicken did you use?
Well, I'm using the leg and thigh, which is very easy.
I prefer, yeah, I like the thigh. And the leg.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So if you look, so the chicken looking nice and lovely already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can tell.
Yeah. So it's like you're marinating the chicken. You know what I mean? Massaging it. Massaging it. Yeah. And it smells so lovely. You can smell that lovely scent, especially garlic, the thyme and everything come together, bringing a lovely flavor. So basically, I've got a tray right here.
Yeah.
And all you need to do is to place the chicken on the tray. Just like this. And as you can see, anyone want to take a picture of the chicken? Look at the chicken. Just take a good look at this chicken. Yeah? Chicken is lovely and nice.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
So basically, the paprika bring off a lovely color to the chicken.
So it's a dish you cook for yourself often?
Well, I don't want to, yeah, it's a dish I don't want to cook, but you know, this is a famous dish which is on my YouTube channel. I have probably about over 1.5 million viewers on this dish also.
Wow.
Yeah, very famous dish. Wow. So you can see how the chicken looks so lovely and nice.
Yeah.
So basically, this chicken, we will bake it in the oven for 35 minutes, the least to 40 minutes. And if you're using a gas mark, you can put it 180
180.
or 185 or 175. Sometimes it might take up to 40 minutes. It all depends on your oven where you're using, but that's fine. Nice. These natural seasoning sprinkling on top of it. So when you're cooking, you're gonna get a nice, lovely flavor from everything right here.
Wow.
So, we got some more onion right here.
Is that honey glaze, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Honey glaze, yeah.
Just simple, sprinkle it more on top of it like this.
Not too sweet.
Not going to be sweet because of the seasoning.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
So what we're going to do, that one lemon, go to simple, cut the lemon, some slices. Let's put it right in the chicken like this.
Oh, wow. I like that.
You like that?
I like how you do that, yeah.
Then what you can do, squeeze a little bit on top of it like this.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And you guys can see exactly what's going on. This is what I'm talking about. Just take a good look. Take a good look.
Wow.
Take a good look. This is fantastic and nice, guys. See that?
Yeah.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. Can you imagine all this taste?
Oh, yeah. Can we?
And the beauty is, I didn't use any salt. You might have said, Chef, by the way, I didn't use any salt.
Don't need salt, really.
Perfect. What do you think? Do we think we need salt?
No.
No, we don't need the salt. Alright? So what we're going to do now, sometimes you can marinate the meat and put it down for like 24 hours, 12 hours, 6 hours, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to chuck it straight in the oven and we're going to bake it. Alright? So let's wash my hand and come on, guys.
Smells lovely. Can you smell it?
Yeah, it smells
It smells brilliant.
John,
You can smell it already.
Yeah? And then we'll cook it.
Smell it.
Alright. So, chicken in the oven. And as I say, 180 to 180 or 175 is pretty good. Good to go.
180 would be better.
180, 175, it doesn't really matter. Alright. Now we have some vegetable over here. I'm just going to be cleaning my table right here. We got some vegetable. I'm just going to show you guys how you can do your vegetable at home. Or, you know what I mean, wherever you can prepare certain things with your veg. Alright? Creamy mashed potato. Anyone ever had that before?
Yeah.
Creamy mashed potato is lovely and nice. Alright. So we all know what is potato. So today we're going to do a creamy mashed potato. It's going to be amazing.
You might stop me, you know. I'm not sure if this is recording.
Yeah.
It stopped a while ago.
Alright, no, it's recording. It's fine.
It is recording.
Yeah, it's recording. Nice one. So, right there, anyone ever cooked potato before?
I think I have.
Alright.
I think I have.
Yeah?
Boiled it, yeah, boiled.
Alright. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to get a bigger pot right over here. So, sorry. I'm going to be throwing off that water off it because it's remember I didn't say, we've been soaking the potato so it's got a lot of
So
starch.
how long do you soak it for? The potato for 20 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
20
You know what I mean? Some people don't have to do it, some people just cook it straight away, but you know what I mean? But today, we're just gonna cook it just as it right here now, yeah?
Okay.
So basically, I'm gonna be pouring out this water. Get rid of that starch water. Just put it like now. Who wanna be empty? Yeah, we're gonna have a healthy meal today. Yeah, alright. Nice one. So, how long you can boil potato for? 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes? Who knows? Anyone? How long you can
I reckon you can cook potatoes for about, I'll say 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Alright. Clock starts. Alright.
Right.
Lee? Where's the light?
Some cook it for 15, some cook it for 20, but I'd say 15.
Yeah. You have a light with you?
As long as you can put the knife through and
Yeah,
if
and
it's
it cook.
soft, then
Yeah.
there you go.
Maybe to the rescue, right?
Alright. Alright, we're gonna cook the potato now.
Oh no,
Alright.
no, actually tea.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of potatoes in there. Sorry, I'll change that. 20 minutes. But again, I don't know. I'm just saying, I just guessing.
So we're chicken in the oven. Now we're going to put on the potato. We're going to cook the potato for about 20 minutes. Alright?
Okay.
And once the potato gets soft, we're good to go. Alright? Carrots. Anyone ever cooked carrot before?
Yeah.
I love carrots. Alright, I'm going to ask
Good for you. You can see the dark. Good for you to see the dark.
Alright. Carrots.
It's true.
Yeah.
Oh, turn it down a bit, guys.
This is carrot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Carrot.
Chef.
You can feel it. Touch it. Pass it around, make everyone touch it. That is carrot. And carrot is good for your eyesight, and it is vegetable, it's good for you. Alright?
Yeah, I've seen it.
So basically, anyone ever peeled carrot before?
Yeah.
Alright? So we all know to peel carrot. And basically, anyone ever cooked carrot before? Yeah. Alright. So I have some carrot in this water right here. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to be boiling for I want someone to tell me all that you can cook carrot for. 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes.
It depends on how you like them. If you like them crunchy, then, or if you like them really soft.
Alright. What do you like your carrots? Crunchy?
Crunchy.
I don't like my carrots crunchy at all. I like it moist. I like it just right. No, just right. Just right. That means not too hard, not too soft,
Not
just
too
right.
hard, not too
Medium
soft.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. You know.
You like it
Where
perfect?
you can just like bite it. It's quite.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Lovely. And
But
nice.
chef,
Yes.
do you start the time from when the water starts bubbling? Then you time it from there? Or
Well, you see, I just put the water on it and just cook it because it's carrot. I mean, you can just. Sometimes you can boil the water
Yes.
and then add the carrot.
Yes.
But no, I'm just doing this because.
That's what I do.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Right.
If you was like on a proper cooking TV show, you don't want to do a correct way. Even on a TV show, you know, you don't want to do the same way. There's some people do the same way. But
Yeah.
this way is to boil the water and then put in the carrot.
Right.
Oh,
Okay,
let's do
boil
a
the
shortcut
water.
today.
Right.
We're doing a shortcut today. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna look a pot cover for this one. Hopefully it's
I
perfect.
think, let's see.
No.
Okay.
That one? Alright.
Oh, that
With
is.
a bigger one.
That gonna be a
Where's the pot covers, guys?
Yeah.
I don't know. Depends on
Alright.
that.
You need a big one, though.
I need a big one.
To fit that pot.
Yeah, we need a bigger one.
A big
I don't
one.
know. No,
No, they're not in there. You don't get
Alright, that's
What are you
okay.
looking for?
Lid for the
You don't know
lid.
That's fine, don't worry, don't worry.
Okay.
Lee, we need the top one.
Pot
We need
cover.
teapot for the pot, but we can't find them.
Oh, no, yes. Alright.
Yeah? You got them?
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you so much. Alright.
that's alright.
This one.
That one's too small. That one.
Alright.
Yeah. there.
So, basically, we got. Anyone know what is this?
Broccoli,
Anyone know what is this?
pepper, orange pepper.
Red pepper.
Yeah, nice one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to make a nice lovely stir-fried vegetable. Who is a vegetarian?
Me.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm a vegetarian sometimes. Alright?
Want to lose a bit of weight? Yeah, go veggie for a while.
Well, what I'm going to do, Ellie, do you got oil? Yeah. We're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely stir-fried vegetable. Alright, guys? This is a fantastic vegetable I'm going to be doing right here with all of these ingredients. Guys, take a picture of this. Look at that. Everything there says healthy and nice. Fresh and nice. Fresh and nice. I love vegetable. Who love vegetable?
Me.
Everyone loves vegetable.
Oh, yeah.
What vegetable good for?
Your heart.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure, your bones.
Everything. Everything.
Everything.
Vegetable is good for everything.
Yeah.
Now everyone is going to vegetable.
Oh.
You know why? Because we want to stay healthy and look good and
feel
you know what I mean? Everything. I feel good, you know what I mean? You know that song, I feel good.
I sing that on the karaoke actually.
Yeah?
I sing it on the karaoke all
Nice.
the time. I And everyone loves
So what we're going to do, I'm going to be doing a little shortcut right here with you guys today. I'm going to pop roughly about 2 tablespoons of the olive oil inside of that frying pan.
Olive oil?
Vegetable oil.
You got me fit. Hang on.
You better get famous. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you can do a nice lovely stir fried vegetable. I love garlic, alright? So look at what I'm doing right here, guys. So basically 3 cloves of garlic or 4 cloves of garlic. Chop it up really finely. Alright? Right there.
Onion, red onion, red onion.
Alright, we all know this one, innit? Alright? So we want to do some chunky red on it. Alright? Yeah. Alright? When I said chunky, I mean like this.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean.
You never see that before?
I've seen it, I've seen
Nice
it.
one.
How they do it, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice one.
It's red onion.
Yeah.
Is it sweeter than normal onion, you say?
Yeah, you know what it is.
More
sweet,
tastier.
More tastier.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. It's really nice.
Lovely.
Yeah, you love red onion?
I love red onion.
So I'm doing some more right here, so I'm using 1. Right over here I have some spring onion. Yeah, we're not going to be cutting them very small, we're going to cut them chunky. Alright? So when I said chunky, I mean like this.
Yeah.
Just pop straight inside of it.
Oh, yeah.
Pepper. Alright? This is the sweet pepper.
Sweet.
You want to do some chunky sweet pepper?
Is that with all the red peppers, with all the different peppers, they're all sweet peppers, yeah?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
green
yeah.
one, the yellow one,
Yeah,
and...
yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
So you can see, look at this one.
Yeah.
Really nice. Yeah?
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah.
So nice. Lovely. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So now we are putting the red one. Alright. We're going to put a little bit of thyme, not too much, because you don't want the thyme, because thyme is very strong.
Strong, yeah.
So you don't want to overcome it, you know what I mean? You just want to get a nice little lovely flavor towards it. Alright? Anyone know what is this?
Cherry tomato.
Cherry tomato. Yeah. Do you like cherry tomato?
Yeah.
Really.
Nice.
I love it. Not really.
Yeah? You don't like it?
No. I agree with you. So,
It's good.
it probably is.
Yeah, it's good. So basically,
Unless you keep it.
we're going to pop this also inside of it. Look at that. Alright guys, see that one?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Take the pictures.
Yeah? It's nice? Looking good?
Yeah, looking good.
Looking good.
Yeah? Yeah?
That is amazing.
Oh.
Oh, the colours.
Hey?
You don't see nothing yet? Yeah? You don't see nothing yet? Alright. The next thing what we're going to do now. Alright? We're going to just cook the broccoli for roughly about, let's put on some water to make it go boil in the meantime. That's the easiest way to cook broccoli. Just a little bit of boiling water.
Boiling water.
Yeah. About 3 to 4 minutes. Anyone enjoy the show?
Yeah.
Anyone enjoy the show?
Yay.
Alright, you enjoy the show?
Yeah.
Good man. Alright. So what we're going to do now, we're going to turn on the stove and then chicken looking good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Chicken looking lovely.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Lemon.
You must put the fork in. The fork.
Yeah. Without, yeah.
Yeah.
It's alright. Alright, so basically, let's get this one on.
Chicken's looking good.
How do you smell the chicken?
Oh, yeah. Chicken. Healthy chicken. Chicken's looking
Alright.
wonderful.
So now we're going to fry up the veg. We're going to get the broccoli in the water. Bits and pieces going on really well. Alright? Please stop it. and too big.
Yeah.
Do you smell this thing cooking already?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Ooh.
But we need to get some steam from it.
Yeah.
Alright? Let's get some steam from it. It's gonna be lovely and nice.
Right.
We all can eat broccoli just like this. Anyone ever eat it like this before?
No.
Alright. Anyone ever make broccoli smoothie?
Yeah. Smoothie? No.
Smoothie, broccoli smoothie is really nice.
Well, I know like you can blend it with other vegetables as well to make it like a green sort of.
Yeah, like a green smoothie, yeah. But you don't put like a spinach, a bit of ginger, a bit of lemon, you know what I mean? Even thyme.
Yeah.
Do you know that thyme can make tea?
No, yeah.
And the thyme is really good for you. Look at that. Then take a good sip. Oh. Alright. So things looking good.
Right. See it.
And the carrot almost ready.
John, it's about time. Time to leave it alone.
Oh no.
We're going to cook the broccoli for about 5 to 6 minutes.
Yeah.
That's a cigarette.
Nice one.
John, time to go your time.
Yeah. Oh, it's seasoned with all of this season right here. Sorry about that. You missed that one.
Yeah, because I had to do
Bits and pieces of garlic. Yeah, it's really nice. So I know you guys are gonna love that one. You know? Alright, you tired? Get some rest and come back. Get some rest. When the food is ready, you're gonna know what's going on.
I'll be back.
Alright, so the carrot is ready. Now the carrot is ready. And now I'm going to be pouring out my carrot. And I'm going to be mixing up with the rest of the vegetable. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now, right over here.
I'll put one.
Nice one. And I'm going to pour it straight inside of here. I'm going to mix it up. Yeah, this is all my vegetable look.
Wow. Isn't that good?
Yeah. Right here. Looking lovely and nice. And I got some more grapes with it. When you're cooking a vegetable, if you overcook your vegetable, you get rid of all of your vitamin from it. So you need the vegetable to feel a little bit crunchy, not too hard though, but a little bit crunchy. That's, you know what I mean? You leave some of the vitamin in the veg. That way when that goes inside of you, it's gonna be staying in your vein, your bone, your everywhere. Give you energy and strength. Alright? So, you guys enjoying it so far?
Yeah.
Very good.
Alright, what you learned today?
Loads.
Tell me one of the main things you learned.
Well, how to do the chicken that way.
Yeah.
Got to put mine in the oven and let it.
That's it. I know.
But
Oh yeah.
flavours and
Yeah.
yeah.
Nice one. Yeah. It's different to cook, different ways of cooking.
Yeah.
Learn different stuff. But I mean, it's brilliant.
Sweet spring egg.
That's my broccoli. Ready.
It's quite cheap.
That's the broccoli. So fresh and nice and not green, still green. Can't overcook your veg.
£24.
Nice one.
I suppose if you decide you've got to make your mind up today.
Yeah, this is it right here.
Wow.
Wow, look at that, John. I'm going to take some photographs.
Have a little green in John. You get love the flavor and I love the color, innit? Yeah. See? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Good. Come a little closer and you take a picture of it. Really come out lovely and nice. Very nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice one. So this is finished. That can be seen in the meantime. So we got the potato and we got the chicken in the oven at the moment. But let's take a good look at the chicken now, guys, and tell me
You good, mate?
what you're thinking about my chicken over here.
Lovely.
Alright, chicken is coming on. Need to cook some more, but looking lovely and nice so far. Alright. Yeah.
Oh, that's alright, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Nice? Yeah, smell really nice. Look nice, smell nice, look good. For now, man. So, you guys want to take a 5 minutes break?
Yeah.
Take a 5 minutes break and you can come back with Chef Ricardo, alright?
Yeah.
Nice to have you today. Nice to have you today. Nice to have you. 5 minutes and come back.
Yeah.
Billy, you haven't got your name down there?
I'm going to share now, yeah?
Oh, Billy's name was down.
Alright guys, we're ready now? So basically the chicken is finished and this is the way the chicken look.
Yeah.
4 to 5 minutes in the oven, lemon and honey roast chicken. Yeah, nice one, nice one. So basically, chicken is ready. Alright. So
I feel like
lovely and nice. Yummy, yummy. And then we have our vegetable. So first thing what we're going to do, I'm going to be sharing now, but I'm going to serve the vegetarian first. Alright. The reason why I want to serve the vegetarian first is because she doesn't eat meat. Yeah, understand? So I have to serve her first. Alright? Vegetarian,
I'm just trying to
welcome
Thank you very much.
to meet Chef Ricardo.
Hello, Chef Ricardo.
Alright, for sure. Hold on first. So,
I love mash.
you love mashed potato?
I love
Do
it.
you think
Alright.
he was that was his name?
Really?
First one, Chef.
Yes.
Creamy mashed potato. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, look
Wow,
at
look
it.
at that. Oh, it's delicious.
Alright.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Do you want the gravy?
Is it vegetarian?
It's vegetarian, but meat kind of meat might contaminate it. Crossover,
Oh,
yeah?
yeah, I won't bother.
Alright, are you sure? Are you sure? Do you guys want to take a picture of this one?
Yeah.
First vegetarian meal.
Take the picture, yay!
Oh, hold on. Let's take a picture with me.
Hey!
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Nice one. Alright.
Wow, I'm going to run off with this now.
Yeah? Enjoy.
Thank you.
Alright, so I'm ready now. You ready?
Oh, can I? It'll be cold.
Ricardo, you're a good man, you are.
Yeah?
You've got one enough.
Chef.
Pork, please.
Oh, good.
Proper chef.
Yeah? Giant.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
I can't wait. Thank you.
Where was it? What's the entrance?
Thank you, Ricardo.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you, darling. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Can I
I've got food in my tummy.
You're welcome.
5,000, isn't it? Yeah. All right, mate.
Thank you, chef.
Alright.
Should I go that way? Or should
Yeah,
I go
anywhere you want to go, it's up to you.
Yeah.
Enjoy the meal, alright?
What have you been up to then, John?
Go this way.
John or Jeffrey?
Yes, John, Jeff.
Bloody. Bloody. Oh, you are bloody.
Well, you come here that you're a top big chef, you know. Is it?
Well, watching you today, I still got a lot more to go.
This one,
Did you watch my YouTube channel?
Sorry?
Did you watch
I
my
have, yes indeed, yes. I did all the research about you, Ricardo.
Yeah?
That's lovely, thanks ever so much.
Enjoy, man. Any problems, let me know.
Oh,
Hello. We have enough food for you guys. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah. I'm probably not.
And I don't think
I'll place the food justice. I don't think our plates do the food justice. The place looks so
Sorry about this messed up. I'm not a proper sharer.
You going to have some as well, I think? No, do it enough. Do it enough? No, right. No. What about Chef himself?
Yeah, Chef Ricardo, we have a little bit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's alright. Hungry?
Yeah.
Come back for a second.
Oh no, I'll probably do
No, never since we had like peppers. I like peppers.
Oh, you don't like peppers?
They're not hot, you know.
They're not hot pepper, you know? They're sweet peppers.
No, I don't like peppers at all.
Oh, what about carrot?
You don't eat vegetables.
Oh.
You only drink Red Bull. And Diet Coke.
Is that it?
That's the end.
That's alright.
Don't forget knives and forks.
Got it.
You get knives and forks. What about you, Billy? You get knives and forks?
Really? Well,
You're welcome, man.
I'm not good.
Well, look at this. Good. Pleasure to have him today, isn't it? Is this just going to be one, I think? One. Very nice.
Yeah.
How far do you have to come from?
No, that's up the road, not too far.
Ricardo,
Yeah.
have you made the mashed potatoes so creamy?
Yeah.
Did you add cream to it?
Oh, you're vegetarian, man. I forgot about you, you know. What? It's only cream.
No,
You'll be
I
alright.
like cream.
Yeah? You'll be alright to the cream?
I love cream.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know how you made it so creamy.
Oh.
Sauce.
I'm going to make some at home like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Would you like some more?
Enjoy it.
Would you like some more?
I'm full, I'm afraid.
Yeah? You full up? That's alright.
That's my own plate, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm ready to have lunch.
You ready to have your lunch?
Yeah.
Hold on first. Just a second.
Alright.
Just a second. I want to take a picture of this one.
Alright.
Did I get a picture of this food? You love mushroom?
I can I have a 5? Is that alright? Nice is fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Thank you. Yeah. Can I have some broccoli, please?
Yeah, you get everything.
Yeah.
And everything is good
That's
for you.
enough, that's fine.